So good evening, sir. I'm Alijan P. Granida. So we're gonna tackle this evening about how the ship float in the water. So we're gonna tackle about stable equilibrium. First, we're gonna draw stable equilibrium. This is the metacentric height, and this is the buoyancy, which is pushing the vessel to float, and this is the lightning arms that so stable equilibrium. This will happen when the center of gravity, or G, is below the point metacenter. So if the metacenter is below the center of gravity, that's called stable equilibrium. Like for example this one. When start to incline due to external forces such as the wave or wind, it will return to its original position. Because of the center of gravity is below the point of metacenter, the vessel can stable and can stay in the direction. And so this time we will tackle about the angle of lull. So the angle of lull, it will cool to other side or change. It will receive below, revive below. It will create artificial lightning arms. So the angle of lull, when the B1 is in here, mag-create siya og another artificial lightning arms kay nilabel na sa metacentric height, nag-create na siya og sa another nga lightning arm. So ang angle of lull kay we need to move the center of gravity below point of metacenter. So this is the center of gravity. We need to move here so that it will align to the metacentric height, so that the vessel will not capsizing and will not dili siya mabali. Dapat i-label na to ang point of metacenter o center of gravity. That's all. Thank you. So let's tackle unstable equilibrium. Unstable equilibrium, this will happen when the center of gravity is above the metacentric height. So like for example this one, when held it will flaps. Okay, nag-align naman sila sa duha, muna mo flap sila. Tungod kay nag-align sila, it will flaps and it will held over further the ship. So center of gravity also moves further. Well, it will reach directly into the into the center, to the below, in the line below center of gravity. So when we say unstable equilibrium, the center of gravity moves further. Well, it will reach directly into the center of gravity. It will behave like a neutral equilibrium, like remain at the angle of the ship. It's labeled on the center of gravity, so that the ship will flaps into that remain at the angle of inclination. Another one is neutral equilibrium. This will happen when center of gravity is coincide with the point of metacenter is 0. When held in, it will remain on the inclination until the internal force will exert to return to its original position. So when we say neutral equilibrium, the center of gravity coincides with the point of metacenter here.